So in this video we are going to learn how to make a powerful slide without any app but in the PowerPoint. So first we have to remove this one, press here and delete from keyboard. Again this one. Now first we have to give a shape. So from here, see the shapes are here and home option. So I will select this shape, just do like this, design you want, and copy and paste, and just arrange in the shape you want. I can copy, I can paste. Just continue this, make some shapes longer and short. In this way you have to arrange. Let me arrange. After this, select all from keyboard, control, okay, then right click, then group this all. After grouping, then right click, then format shape, okay, then this option will come. Again I am showing, right click, format the shape. See, so we have to go to the fill option. There is option picture or text. Click here. So picture was already selected, so you can select another picture also from here, from offline. In this picture you want to select, insert. See, so I will select a nice picture. This one I'm selecting, insert. Okay, you can arrange this also. After this you can add the background also. In the background, right click, background format, then picture or texture. I have selected already this picture. You can select another picture also. Let me show. See, so I will select the 20. This picture I am selecting, insert. So now just this one was group. I will pull this down to match the border. It looks good. See, now if you want to remove this dash, you can click on format, then shape outline, no fill. It will look like this, but I will add few more. I will add white outline. Okay, you can make it big also. Format option, you can go and make it big. See, I will keep this. You can make it big also. You can add text also. We will add text from insert option. Text. Write anything. Help free to live. Select all. Change the color. Make it big. Add any design. Let me select a good one. Make this one small, yeah. Then we arrange by putting space button on the keyboard, pressing the space button. Help in one letter in one box, and keep one box empty. Move forward and just pull this down. So you can add this one. So you can mix this text with this shape. So what to do? First you select all from keyboard, Control A, then right click and group. After grouping, so we have to mix this text with the shape. So go to the fill option and picture to the texture. So this one, so have to just pull this down. Now you can see. So this is the full picture. So there is no need of any other app. So I have made this one earlier. looks good.
Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and if you need any other videos, please comment on the comment option. Thank you.